Alright, so we just stopped by the auto shop here. My car was actually acting up. It seems to like not have any power or whatever. Not really sure what's going on with it. Engine lights flashing. Got this paper, the list of codes, and they said it was probably the wires and the plugs. So picked up some wire and plugs, and now we're gonna throw them in and, you know, not only see if that's a problem, but we're gonna show you guys how to just, you know, do that project as well. So even if we don't fix her, at least we got a good video out of the deal. So stay tuned. To just show you guys what's going on with this. It's gonna be kind of hard to tell, but I got an engine light flashing, and then when I gun it, it just did no power. It kind of seems like the filter was clogged, but that wasn't the problem. So I really hope these plugs and wires are gonna fix it, you know, because it's drivable right now, but it's not running how it should be. It's probably gonna cause problems if I continue to drive it this way. So we're gonna throw those plugs and wires in real quick, and hopefully let's pray that it'll fix the problem. So stay tuned. Pretty dirty. It was kind of a chore to get it out. I had to, the socket was too short for it. I didn't have an extension, so I kind of had to grip on the end of this with a needle nose to get it out. But pretty much it's going pretty good. We're just gonna do the same thing with every single other one. Put the new ones in and put the wires on. So. You know, the original diagnosis is that there was a misfire in one cylinder. So the first three looked okay, but then we got to the last one here, and it looks like the piston just folded the electrode right over. So I guess we'll see what happens when we put a new one in. Alright, we got all the new plugs in, new wires in. We make sure those plugs are nice and tight and that every single one of these clicked into place when we put them down. The only thing I'm wondering about is those plugs being kind of a different size, but I guess we'll see if she starts and go from there. Alright, this is a moment of truth, fellas. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna let her run for a little bit and take her for a drive. See if it fixed the problem. It's freezing. My hands are numb. Anyway, so I had this issue where the extender was just a little bit too short. So it's like I had a little gap up there and I couldn't really get the you know, the 3/4 inch drive or 3/8 drive to really connect there. So what I did is I got clever. I grabbed this piece and I took a grinder and I just grinded it down until it fit the perfect shape to just slide in there. Then I had my gap. So definitely some redneck ingenuity, but it got the job done. So we're about to take her for a drive now just to make sure she, you know, that fixed the problem. So far so good. So our trick engine light isn't flashing anymore. It feels okay. And it's kind of hard to tell because I'm driving with my muck boots. But we're just gonna drive her a little more and just kind of see what happens. So, all right, so we're gonna get on her a little bit here. So she seems a little bit better. She still has like this deep tone to her. You know, I'm not 100% sure what that is, but it feels like I got my power back. So that seems like to be the problem. The light's not blinking anymore. And yeah, I just got to change the air filter, and then I think we'll be good to go for about a month. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. You know, this is kind of the thing we're doing now. You know, I have a problem with my vehicle. I figure out what it is, and then I fix the problem, and I show you guys how to fix that problem while you're at it. Not only that, how to fix it when you don't have, you know, the proper shop or tools, or, you know, when you're kind of in a pinch. Like you seen earlier, we were a little bit short on the extender. We had to get creative. We found out a way to make it happen, you know, because not all of us have, you know, the money to have a nice shop or nice tools. But yeah, if you enjoy this type of thing, you know, give her a like, give her a subscribe, you know, comment any ideas. You know, hopefully this has been a help to you guys. I've just been kind of, you know, whenever my vehicle breaks, I diagnose it and I fix it and I make a video of it. You know, that way I can help you guys through, you know, one of my little issues here. So if you enjoy that type of thing, give her a subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Oh.